अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस लेक्चर में हम 11th क्लास की केमिस्ट्री में MCQs करेंगे। इस वीडियो में शामिल तमाम MCQs एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। केमिस्ट्री के MCQs का ये पार्ट नंबर 3 है। पहले दोनों पार्ट्स के लिंक्स इस वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मौजूद हैं। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि नई वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको फौरी मिल सकें। बहुत शुक्रिया। MCQ नंबर 1। इन द ग्राउंड स्टेट ऑफ एन एटम द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस इन द सेकंड शेल नियरेस्ट टू द न्यूक्लियस farthest from the nucleus. Correct option is C, nearest to the nucleus. MCQ number 2. Splitting of cell lines when atoms are subjected to strong electric field is called Zeeman effect, Stark effect, photoelectric effect, Compton effect. Correct option is B, Stark effect. MCQ 3. Bohr's model of atom is contradicted by Planck's quantum theory, dual nature of matter, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, all of the above. Correct option is C, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. MCQ 4. Rutherford's model of atom failed because the atom did not have a nucleus and electrons. It did not account for the stability of the atom. It did not account for the attraction between protons and neutrons. There is actually no space between the nucleus and the electrons. Correct option is B. It did not account for the stability of the atom. MCQ number 5. The wave number of the light emitted by a certain source is 2 multiplied by 10 power 6 per meter. The wavelength of this light will be 500 nanometers, 500 meters, 200 nanometers, 5 into 10 7 times meter. Correct option is A, 500 nanometers. MCQ number 6. The velocity of photon is independent of its wavelength, depends on its wavelength, equal to square of its amplitude, depends on its source. Correct option is A, independent of its wavelength. MCQ 7. The nature of the positive rays depends on the nature of the electrode, the nature of the discharge tube, the nature of the residual gas, all of the above. Correct option is C, the nature of the residual gas. MCQ number 8. Quantum number values for 2p orbitals are n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0. Correct option is A, n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1. MCQ 9. Orbitals having same energy are called hybrid orbitals, valence orbitals, degenerate orbitals, d orbitals. Correct option is C, degenerate orbitals. MCQ 10. When 6d orbital is complete, the entering electron goes into 7f, 7s, 7p, 7d. Correct option is C, 7p. MCQ 11. Amorphous solids have sharp melting points, undergo clean cleavage when cut with knife, have perfect arrangement of atoms, can possess small regions or orderly arrangement of atoms. Correct option is D. Amorphous solids can possess small regions or orderly arrangement of atoms. MCQ 12. The molecules of CO2 in dry ice form the ionic crystals, covalent crystals, molecular crystals, any type of crystal. Correct option is C. Molecular crystals. MCQ 13. Which of the following is a pseudo solid? CaF2, glass, NaCl, oil. Correct option is B. Gloss. MCQ 14. Isotopes differ in properties which depend upon mass, arrangement of electrons in orbitals, chemical properties, the extent to which they may be affected in electromagnetic field. Correct option A. Isotopes differ in properties which depend upon mass. MCQ number 15. Select the most suitable answer from the given ones in each question. Isotopes with even atomic masses are comparatively abundant. Isotopes with odd atomic masses are comparatively less abundant. Isotopes with even atomic masses and atomic number are comparatively abundant. Isotopes with even atomic masses and odd atomic numbers are comparatively abundant. Correct option is B. Isotopes with odd atomic masses are comparatively less abundant.